Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? Today is our Wix tutorial, and now today I talk about button, and in button I talk about text and icon button. Here I show how you use text and icon button. There are many ways, so I can select it. First of all, here is in normal text, in normal button. You see only there is one option, change text. But in this, you have two options, change and text icon. You can also change text and you can also change icon. You can click on it, choose icon, edit text from here, and for icon change you can click here. When you click here, you can change. It's loading. It's loading all the icons and then display. Oh yeah, it's window open. There is, you can go to here for side files. For trash, I think there is any media from Wix or media from Wix. You can go here and yeah, there are so many shapes, and you can also select from here basic shapes. As you also enter here arrow or house or whichever you want icon you want to type here, all icons which you want to click on it. If you click on it, you can this icon display here. From layout, we can also see layout options in button design. Here you see some different option in this button, this layout. You can see only this text alignment, but in this you can enter, click here, you can this text and icon button is alignment, spacing between text and icon, its padding. You see all these options here. So here in layout regular, choose what to show. If I want show only text, it turn into only text, and if you want icon only, it's an show only icon here. And however, there is no option about at present there is no option about whichever option you want to show, or text and icon. And however, at present it's not option here. Layout, we can use text and icon, and here is which in which position we want to show. If we want to show text is here and icon is there, it shows that. If we want show text, icon is here and text is here, it's come to we choose this option. For this option, text is upward and icon is downward, and if icon is upward and so we can choose. These are all four options here. For alignment, this is right or left or bottom. Now space between text and icon, how much want to space. It's come to white, and this is few steps, so it's here. Padding, if you give padding at once all or corner, it's is applied to all, because it is not unlocked, it's applied to all 50. It's 50 pixel padding inside a button, right, left, and if we unclick it, we 10. You see there is not any change. No, 50 is only applied to top and bottom. 50 is here. So there's are all. when padding is locked, any change you make is applied to all sides. Okay, it is a layout. And in text, show text or not, a big bit, we can uncheck this option, text is gone. Here is also basic option, fonts, font size, whichever want to text color change. You can change your text color from here. Which tab you want? Strike through, you can give any style, this line between this. It's here. If you want to underline this, it becomes to underline, italic, highlight color, outline color, whichever highlight color you can choose any highlight color, so your text is become highlight from that color. You see that outline color, color is applied outline the text. I can apply this is outline from text, it's small, so can change text direction. It's from here you can change the text direction, but here it's not apply. And change text alignment from right, left, here is also option. Text spacing and shadow, we can also use shadow, but here right now is not applied for the current time. Border, we also use border, where we can give any. This is a border of button. Yes, 2 pixel, just 2 pixel in all over the on all sides. If we want to make one-sided border, unlock it, and here you see only one-sided is border effect, because we unlock and change, give option only one direction. Or there are many more tutorials about buttons come in future. So okay, it's time to finish now. I hope you like it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.